Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to have issue 18 of Build Your Own Disney's Dollhouse. Okay, so if you joined me earlier, we did do some details on the inside of the Mickey Mouse wall of wall 5. We're going to continue with that wall today. We're going to be adding the upper coving with the Mickey Mouse decorative part on it. And we're also going to be doing some parts of the Frozen side. So yeah, let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing with issue 18. So we've now got issue 18, as you can see. We've got loads of little bits in there, and some more of that rail that's going to go around the top of the wall. So the first thing we're going to make up is the Beauty and the Beast desk. So that's what we're going to be making. It's that first. Really simple. We're just adding some glue down onto the four legs and plugging them in. We then want us to roll up this bit of paper as like a scroll, and then we can go on assembling parts of the wall. So we've got to add this little part into the wall just there. So we're going to apply some glue onto the tabs and onto the back just there. That's going on the Frozen side, just like so. Then it wants us to attach this rail. So again, we're going to be putting the some glue down upon the decorative rail, and that's going down above the top there. Apply some masking tape on that, and then I'm going to let that dry. And then we can do the last one of the Mickey Mouse, where we can add the decoration inside the Mickey Mouse one before sticking that one down, just like that. And that is basically it. So we've got to make sure the angles are the way it wants it to have it, just like that. And yeah, that is it. So we should have the two halves of the door, the wall all complete. So as you can see in issue 18, we've basically finished wall number 5 for the Mickey Mouse room. And it's the first wall in the Frozen room. We're basically finished that. We're going to make a table up as well. So yeah, nice good issue this one. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. So first things first, let's take a look at the accessories. We get this little dust brush. I'm sure it does have a name. We get an ink bottle. Don't know what that is. I believe that is for the pen. Yeah, so they dub it in the ink. And then yeah, look at that. Very cool. We also get these two little notes that she's written, the handwritten letters. We also get them as well. It does want us to roll these in this issue, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put them away safe until next time. Okay, so let's start the table. We're going to be adding some glue all the way around the table legs at the top, just like so. As long as it stays on the top, you are fine. Any leg can go any side, so I'm going to go into that one. Move on to the next leg. Once you've done that, that one can go in. Just there. 2 more to go. That one in. Last one now. That one's going down into here, just like that. So that is our table all complete. Alright, now we're going to need the wall, and we're going to need it Frozen side up. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a couple of details onto there. So we're going to put this one on first, which is going just in the side, just here. So we're going to put some glue all the way down here. And then we can take that, I'm going to put it this way around. We can drop that into the holes just like that. Then go ahead and clean up any excess glue you've got coming out the sides. just like that. So that is that on there now. So now we're going to be putting this decorative moulding on the top, so that's going on there just like that. So we're going to put some glue all the way down this strip here. So do make sure you put it on the right side. Kind of hard to see the glue because it's white on white, but it's going on. Always clean up any excess glue that comes out after we've put it down. So I'll take as much of that off now as I can, and then this is going down, but leave it level with that. So when you want it level with the top, which is around about there, it's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, and that is that on there. We can now turn that over. It does want us to put some masking tape on that, but I'm going to do that later, and I'm going to put this one on and mask and tape them both on at the same time. So it wants us to have our Mickey Mouse on here, so let's do this again. So this way is the right way up. Put that on there just like that, and then we can go ahead and trim the excess off the ends. One side, now the other. Just like that. And now we can go ahead, we can apply some glue to this strip here and get this one down as well. So I've got the glue on that. Let's line this up. So once in the strip, push it down to about there. So just bringing back the other side that we've got. Just going to move this out of the way. We can test fit this and make sure it is going to fit into that corner perfectly. It looks like it is gonna. So I've got that exactly where I want it. So I can take that back out now. Now I can apply the masking tape. And there we are. So I'm going to leave that to dry overnight before we move on to the next issue. So there you are, guys, that is issue 18 all complete, and we finished that wall now. So the next issue that would be getting attached. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please join me again tomorrow when we have issue 19 of the Disney Doll's House. Till then, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.